Everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about how to download old apps on iPhone, meaning the new iPhones, basically, what you want to use. So, the way I use is that I will simply go to my what you want to say, go to my browser and search for APK, and then, yeah, choose this application or whatever website you want, and then search for previous applications. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just there's no other way to do it, but I don't even recommend this way because these ways can cause errors. And out of common sense, there's a reason why they update the apps very frequently, because they have bugs and errors that can harm the user's devices. So yeah, I have shown you the way, but I don't recommend it. So choose APKs such as APK Pure or Happy Mods if you have heard of it. So yeah, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.